Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Alpha Cool Apex Pro Skeleton Carbon cases. So friend, the Apex Pro Skeleton Carbon is the first case from Alpha Cool on the market that is second to none, and the design case offers great flexibility which is ideal for comprehensive water cooling of PC component made from real carbon tubes and held in place by CNC milled aluminum corners, and the case can be fully dismantled and individual adapted to your own wishes and completely in the stylish and modern Apex design, and it also include a distro plate specially adapted to this case, including a pre-assembled VPP Apex pump with the usual chrome-plated brass connectors and brilliant digital ARGB lighting, and it fits perfectly into the ensemble, and the smoke glass side panel complete the iconic look, and the Alpha Cool Apex Pro skeleton carbon case impressed with the outstanding design and offer unparalleled customization options thanks to its fully screw fastened construction equipped with three radiator mount. This case provides ideal condition for high performance cooling system as it includes GPU bracket with cable enabled vertical mounting of the graphics card, and the mainboard tray including cable box can also be positioned flexible, giving the user a wide range of creative configuration options for the skeleton case, and the include distro plate with 750 ml divisor offer connection option for CPU, GPU, and radiator, and the Plainstone Alpha Cool Apex pump is powerful enough to support complex water cooling loops, and the connections of the distro plate are made from chrome plate brass and is usual with Alpha Cool by enabling the connectors in the acrylic, and the problem of possible leaks due to cracking is avoided, and fitting with O-rings and the two connector parts locked together during installation and ensure maximum safety. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.